Remember, Western Europe is what we're looking at here. So I want you to try to guess the countries. I put the little ones down because I know those are kind of hard sometimes to pick off which ones they are. So I put Liechtenstein, Switzerland, Belgium, and the Netherlands. What's this big one right here? Any guesses?
Possibly Germany.
Yeah, Germany's on the map, but this one isn't Germany.
Okay, is it the smaller one, like the medium one in between that one and Switzerland? That one on blank one up there, top right? Is that it?
This Germany? Yes, you are correct. That is Germany. Good.
Okay.
Germany.
Okay, so there's Belgium, Germany, Netherlands. I know my landmarks, but not that well. Switzerland, Liechtenstein.
Any clue what this big one would be? Another big country in Europe.
I don't know why, but I'm trying to go back to my World War I history that I've been researching lately, and I can't remember it, except I know in that area there's the Battle of Argonne took place there or something.
I think you might be right.
The Battle of Argonne Forest.
I think you might be right, but
I
what's
think
that country?
Somewhere in Britain or something.
Well, back to your World War history. What was the country that was fighting there?
I think it was the French.
There you go. Good. France.
Yeah, because after after they were trying to invade Britain, I think they said, "Screw it, let's try France." France pushed them back, and then they said, "All right, let's try Russia." Russia pushed them back.
That sounds great.
Yeah, they tried messing with everybody at once, and it didn't go well.
Let's just refocus on the geography of this region. So we got France here, Belgium here, Netherlands, Germany, Luxembourg is this country right here, Switzerland, and then this little tiny thing here is Liechtenstein. But what is this last one? Right underneath Germany.
Wouldn't that area start to connect to the Arabian deserts or something?
Well, no, that gets down.
Way further below?
Yeah, further east and south. Okay.
Would that somehow be connected to Russia?
No. Starts with an A.
Not.
There you go.
Austria.
Austria, very good.
Austria, right.
Austria.
Well, yeah, there was a war with the Austria
was part of the World Wars as well too.
Yeah, it was the Italians versus the Austrians, I think, at one point.
Okay, so what we're gonna do today is you guys are gonna choose one of these countries. You're gonna pick one, and you're gonna do a little bit of research on it and find some details and some supporting facts about them, using that T-chart that I already sent out to you. So if you pull up your Chromebook and get that T-chart out, remember it's going to look something like this. You're going to have big ideas on one side, okay, and then you're going to have a box for those, and then you're going to have supporting details on the other. Supporting details on the other, okay? And I'll erase France a little bit here, but you guys can see. For France.
You eliminated a really awesome country.
They had to go to give me the room here. So, and then you'll have a box for supporting details next to it. Okay? And there's going to be 4 different columns, and I want you to put 4 different things in those columns. So, the very first one, we're trying to find some big ideas and supporting details, and you guys will be able to research those later. The very first one out of these 4 is going to be cultural. So write that down on the T-chart that you guys made a copy of in your Google Drives under your big ideas. Write down cultural for the first one.
Okay.
Okay, and then the second one, you want to do historical, yep.
I'm gonna nail that easy.
Historical facts about the country. You're going to research a little bit about them. And the third is geographical facts. So remember what these are. They're going to be like physical features, like rivers.
Is it landmarks you said?
Huh?
Is it landmarks you said?
Yeah, landmarks, physical features, rivers, mountain ranges, anything that's going through the country that you choose, you can add that as part of your geographical facts. Okay? And for the last one, look at economical facts. So what those are, let's go through and put the details in. What exactly cultural is?
Like
Okay.
their way of life.
Yeah, their way of life. So you're gonna find details that show how they live in that country. So do you think that France and Germany are gonna be different kind of culture?
Majorly.
Majorly, right? It's a different way of life. It's their speaking language, the language they speak.
They have similar like sound in it. If you want to put a similarity, they both sound similar.
Well, yeah,
when they start speaking.
maybe they might be similar, but most of them are going to be different, and they're going to see each other as definitely different. Like if you talk to a French person or a German person, they're definitely going to say,
I think it's the French don't they
They're
roll their R's, and the Germans they like mess up their S's and.
I think you're thinking of Spanish for rolling their R's. I'm not sure about the French, but
Oh, I think in one of those countries actually do roll their R's just like the Spanish do, just not as
Yes.
bad.
so these are the things you'll look up for cultural. For historical facts,